In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect your GitHub account from Lovable AI step by step. First, log into your Lovable AI account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for Settings. This is usually found in the top corner or in the sidebar menu. Next, go to the Integrations or Connected Accounts section. Here, you should see GitHub listed as a connected integration. Click on GitHub, then look for an option that says Disconnect, Remove, or Revoke Access. Confirm the action when prompted. If GitHub is still connected, you may also need to remove access directly from GitHub. To do that, go to github.com, click your profile picture, then go to Settings. Select Applications, then Authorized OAuth Apps. Find Lovable AI in the list and click Revoke Access, then confirm. Once that's done, GitHub will be fully disconnected from Lovable AI. And that's it. That's how you disconnect GitHub from Lovable AI. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.